कलंगूट ग्रामपंचायतीने 3 फेब्रुवारी रोजी इंटरस्कूल स्पोर्ट्स फिएस्टा 2025 साठी ट्रॉफी आणि जर्सींचे अनावरण केले. सरपंच जोसेफ सिक्वेरा, उपसरपंच गीता परब आणि सचिव अर्जुन वेळीप यांच्या नेतृत्वाखाली झालेल्या या सोहळ्यात विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये क्रीडा भावना वाढवण्याचा संदेश देण्यात आला. पंचायत सदस्य आणि क्रीडाप्रेमी उपस्थित होते. गावात क्रीडा संस्कृती रुजवणे आणि शाळांना एकत्र आणणे हा या उपक्रमाचा उद्देश आहे, असे सरपंच सिक्वेरा यांनी सांगितले.
This is the second edition of Sports Fiesta organized by Village Panchayat of Kalangut under the leadership of our Sarpanch Bab Joseph Sikwera, and we had all around 8 schools who have participated in this tournament, and we've got around 16 sports which are a part of this tournament, and it will be played for a period of 4 days. And three venues we have. We've got this particular venue at CSL. And then we've got Kalangut Association where all the indoors games will be played, and then the mega finals for the sprint and the athletic events will be played at the Poriat ground in Tivaivado, Kalangut. And we are happy to see n number of students participating in this tournament, and the management of each and every schools who have promoted and supported this event. Also, the big thank you goes to the parents who have come in big numbers to cheer their individual children of theirs, and it's really an encouraging moment for all of us at the panchayat level and all the members, and we look forward to organize this tournament in a much bigger scale for the next year as well. And in fact, I think every individual panchayat or a municipality should take up such kind of initiatives which will really motivate and encourage the teachers, parents, and most importantly the students. And you never know, the students, one of these students only could make us proud in the nationals or international level as well. So it's a big thank you to the management of all the schools for participating, and I wish all the schools very good luck and best, and may the best team win this tournament.
ऑलमोस्ट कितले इस्कॉलाची भुरगीं येयले, कितले टीमी येयल्यो आनी खंयच्यो खंयच्यो गेमी सद्या?
आमच्यो 2 सेगमेंटांनी हो स्पोर्ट्स फिएस्टा सेगमेंट कॅटेगरायज जाला फॉर बॉयज एज वेल एज गर्ल्स. So we've got 8 teams participating for the boys segment, and 7 teams participating, 7 schools participating for the girls segment. And individual championship will go for boys, and individual championship will go for the girls. And the best sports personality will take away a bicycle for boys and a bicycle